this video, we'll be talking on factorization of cubic function by KS method. For example, given s cubed minus 4s plus 3 is equal to 0. In this, we are going to apply a guesswork by finding a possible number when being plugged into this function will result to 0, which will become our solution of a factor of this function. Now, testing for s equals to 1. Plugging in for s to be 1, we are going to have 1 cubed minus 4 into 1 plus 3, which will be 1 minus 4 plus 3, which will result to 0. Therefore, s minus s equals to 1 is our solution to this function. Now, to obtain the second solution as the second factor of this function, we are going to use s minus 1 as the factor into, in this format, this is where the KS method came into play. Here, we are going to find a possible number when this first term is being multiplied by that number will result to this first term, s cubed. And when this negative 1 is being multiplied by another number will result to this third term, positive 3. Now, s into s squared will result to this s cubed, and this negative 1 into negative 3 will result to positive 3. As for the middle term, we do not know. Now, we are going to apply the KS method. As for the middle term, we'll be having plus k of degree 1. As here is degree 2, here is degree 1, and here is our constant, equals to 0. At this point, we go by expanding this factor and this factor, which will result to s cubed plus ks squared plus 3s minus s squared minus ks minus 3 equals to 0. By comparing this function with this function of the coefficient of s squared, in this function, we are having the coefficient of, there's no s squared here. Let's compare it by the coefficient of s of degree 1. Now, in this function, we are having minus 4 as the coefficient of s in degree 1, which will be minus 4 equals to the coefficient of s in this function, which is 3, and minus k. Here, making k the subject of the formula, we'll be having k will be equals to minus 4 minus k will be equals to minus 4 plus 3, which will be equals to minus k will be equals to minus 1. Minus eliminates minus. Our k will be equals to 1. Now, plugging in for k equals to 1 in this factor will be s minus 1 into s squared plus s minus 3 equals to 0. Here, this is our possible factor of this function. Now, to get our possible solution from this factor, our first solution will be s equals to positive 1, and by quadratic equation or by factorization, our s will be equals to to solve factor when using the quadratic formula. But our main aim is to find the factor of this function. Here are the possible factors. By using the formula method, having negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a, where our a is 1, our b is 1, our c is negative 3. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Thanks.